Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing today? I hope everyone is fine, because on this beautiful day I come with my bowl because I want to start doing a little harvesting. You know, there's a lot to harvest, a lot of caring I need to do today. So this is what I'm going to do today. Harvest some pepper and tomato. I mean, it's amazing, guys. It's amazing when you can just silly grab a bowl and go and get some vegetables out your garden. It's a good feelings. That's why I'm encouraging each and every one, plant up your garden, even in some buckets, even in some container. Plant something, because gardening bring life to you. Gardening relieve stress. Gardening make you eat healthy, and that's what I'm doing, eating healthy. So today we're gonna pick some vegetables, pepper, tomatoes, most likely pepper and tomatoes. This is my favorite time. All right, peace and love. Let's go and do it. All right, so let's make our move. This is a pepper. I mean, look at the size of this pepper. So this pepper, this is the third time I'm harvesting from this pepper, and we know in July. Okay, that's why I love to plant pepper very early. I have a lot of pepper trees, lots of pepper tree, and guess what? They all have on blossom. I don't know if you've seen, even this one, and I have a patch over here. Hey guys, all these is chocolate mints. This is chocolate mints. I mean, it's marvelous. You could just come and pick fresh mint out your garden. You know, wash them and get them ready to boil, to make tea. Yes, all these are pepper. This is pepper right here. So I have a lot of pepper trees, and the good thing about it, they all start blossoming. So I'm gonna walk you down to the bottom of the garden. Okay, let me pick this tomato right here. This is this bun start ripening. So I'm gonna just pick it one time. Look the amount of tomato on this tree. I'm not sure if you're seeing, but this tree is loaded, guys. Watch, go right up, and this is only one tomato plant right here. Yes. All right, so let's keep walking. I have an eggplant here. I think I'm gonna pick it because look at the size of this eggplant here. It hit in the ground, so I think it's time for me to pick it. Yes. So this is gonna be a healthy harvest today. Just bear with me, guys. It's just a harvest I want to do because I think it's time for me to pick them. The reason for that is I don't want to have them just sucking the plant when this plant could keep feeding the small one. Look at this. Man, look at this, how it's big and beautiful. Ah, man. Fully ripe. Okay, look at next ripe one. Okay, these are two right here, so I'm gonna just break this. Yeah, with the three of them, that's okay. But at the same time, look how much tomato still on this plant. A lot of tomatoes. Look at this one here. Still have a lot of tomato. So like this one here, I think I'm gonna just pick it. These two here. See the bowl start looking healthy already. Look how much tomato down inside here again. And this tomato plant is taller than me. Naturally taller than me. Over 6 feet tall. Let me see if I can jab. I can kind of show you the height of these tomato plants. Yeah, from down there, go right up there and keep climbing. Okay? These are some pepper. I bought this pepper from the store. They say it's banana pepper. If it's banana pepper, I never planted this one before. You see, look at it. I never planted this one before, so I really don't know if it's banana pepper, but that's what the name was. Okay? Well, all these loaded with pepper at this moment, guys, you know, and this plant is hitting me by my chest. This is why I put the stake to hold them up, and they just keep growing. So these are pepper tree that will definitely be taller than me, over 6 feet tall. Okay, so let's go down here, see if we could grab some pepper. These are broccoli. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off the head of these broccoli and allow them to sprout back fresh. Okay, all these pepper tree, you know, loaded with blossoms. So man, it's gonna be serious up in here in a few weeks with pepper. You know, these are my cucumber I have running up on the fence. These are some beans. These beans, you gotta shell them to cook them. I forgot the name, but yeah, you gotta shell them to cook them. And these are some cucumber here as well growing up. All right, these are some beans. I already picked from these beans already, so I'm just watching them right now. All right, these tomato, this is another tomato plant right here. So I'm going to pick just a few from, I don't want to pick too much. I really don't. Honestly, I rather they ripe on the tree, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do. It's a beautiful pepper. The next one right here. Okay. So that's two beautiful pepper. Look, there's two big ones right there. These pepper tree bearing like crazy. I'm telling you. This is about my fourth. These are some pepper I planted in late February, guys. Late February. And I already harvest from them like 3 times already. Okay? These are some hot pepper. I'm just going, yeah, these are some hot pepper. Look how much pepper is on this tree. The tree is loaded with pepper. So I'm just going to pick a couple. The bowl looking healthy already, right? Yeah, I'm just going to pick a couple of them. Yeah, and leave them. All these are tomato tree loaded with tomato. These are cherry tomato. You know, very tasty. Yes, guys, this is coming straight from Planter Garden TV. Look, this tree here, loaded. I'm thinking to pick this one. Yeah, I'm gonna pick one. and I'm gonna leave you rest. Beautiful, nice size, you know what I'm saying? Nice size. So I guess that's it for now on this side. You see, all these are squash I now plant. I set them right there. These are some sunflower. So now I have to create ways to transplant them. All right. I mean, everything looking beautiful up in here. So let me grab some beans. Let me grab some beans from right here. And what is better than this, guys? I mean, I encourage each and every one to get in the garden. I challenge you guys to get in the garden and start planting. I hope this video, you know, shout out to Broke Farmer 76. Shout out to you, man. Thanks for having me on your live yesterday. I truly appreciate that. So shout out to Broke Farmer 76. Peace and love, brother. This one loaded right here. Guys, the way how I plant my garden in a way that everything will not harvest at the same time. If you planting to sell, it's a different story. But if you planting for your family, you got to plant that everything will not come in the same time. So you will have a bunch of food pushing in the same time. They coming in like week after week, something coming. Yes, guys, this tomato tree, I think it definitely need to harvest. Yeah, because this tomato is still sucking from the plant. And now I want the plant to come with another crop. So I definitely have to get this tomato off the plant. Guys, look at the things I use. I use stick, I use anything to ties up these plants. I try not to spend a dime in this garden. Okay? So let's see how much tomato this one plant gonna give us. One. This. So another one. Another one there. Let me go from this side. Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, this is one tomato plant. One tomato plant. Look how much tomato we get from it. So now you're gonna give it more strength to produce, to push the small one. Because these tomato, you could leave them for ripe, but at the same time, they're sucking from the small plant. And you don't want that. So I basically empty the plant, right? And this is the result. Thank you, guys. Hope you guys enjoy these harvests. Peace and love. Yes, my people, I'm going on to another harvest right here. So there's a lot of things going on. A lot of harvest going on, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Nice and pretty. It's beautiful, man. Look at my hands. It's beautiful. Okay, let me get the bowl, guys. Sorry for that, but let me get the bowls. This is a real decent harvest today. All right, so here we go. Okay, look, a nice bunch right here. Nice bunch right here. Oh man, guys, I can eat this right now. It's tasty. Wow. You will not get that taste out of the supermarket, I'll tell you that. Okay. This one, these tomatoes, I might just leave those. All right, so let's go over here and grab some pepper from this side. I think this is jalapeno pepper. This harvest is more than enough for me, for my family, and able to share with someone. Okay, so this is such a beautiful harvest. So jalapeno pepper is getting tall as ever. Okay, so now let's take these back over here and be grateful. So guys, I hope